Good day here, this is Adewumi Samali once again, and as I have said, we'll be only talking about DXY and Australian dollar, US dollar. Okay, so see this, since this is where we are now. Okay, yesterday and last week, I said yesterday, last week I told us that I want price to move up a little bit before coming down. It just moved a little bit before coming down like that. Okay, since we take this liquidity here, let me enlarge it so that we can see it very well. Since we take this double top, okay, the equal high here, since we take it here, so I'm expecting price to get down. That is the stuff. But to some people, this is higher time frame. This higher time frame principle that we have here, this low must not be confirmed as other block. If price goes below it, confirm it as other block, then that means there will be another pullback before going lower, which is our grand direction for DXY. Okay, so as at now on this time frame, this low is my delicate low that must not be broken if I still want price to reach for 99.29 area, and we see that there is another block around that level. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for, even though some of my friends said the fair value gap that was here has been filled, so they expect price to come down. So this gives them like a signal that price is coming down. But for me, this low must be taken for me to say it is going down, and it will go below this low here. But aside that, I will not be expecting too much from what too much down move from DXY. So let's go to the weekly time frame, and this weekly time frame has shown something beautiful. Okay, by closing below this low, the low of this candle. Okay, but this is an order block, a refined order block for us, and the low is still intact, as this low is still intact for us. So I'm expecting this week for price to go higher. So if Tuesday, let's say Tuesday and Monday, move down towards this level, that means that low on monthly time frame has been broken. So I will still look for a bar. That is the principle that most of us, we want every direction to be ours. Okay, and the market has its own direction, so just follow the direction of the market. This low, if it is broken Monday, Tuesday, then I will still be saying I want to buy pullback before falling down again. Okay, so that is what I have over there. Now let's go to our daily time frame, and I will shrink it. We predicted this down move and it happened. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, this low is still the low that we are looking at, and this is the range so far for now, TR. Okay, for now. So whatever price you want to do, this other block must be what? Must be respected. This other block must be respected. So I'm expecting price to respect it, then move higher to this level, above this high, and towards my 99.29 area that I have on my on my higher time frame here, this area. Okay, whatever it is, and you see that other block that I was talking about on monthly time frame is now showing there, and there is fair value gap also around that level. So I'm expecting price to get to this area. So moving back to our daily time frame, we have seen this. So I'm expecting price to just move towards that level, then move higher above this high. If you know this kind of direction, we know. I told my students in the group, the mentorship group, that this low must be intact, and for the month of February we are going to be having a bullish move for DXY also. So for a whole month, if you can get the direction, then you are good to go. So as at that, I'm moving towards my 4 hours, which is the only thing that I've been talking about. I said this low here and this high last time is the trading range, and if you check it, it's already below 50% of it if you check it very well. So, and we'll be expecting price to move higher. Okay, for the first time today I will show my 30 minutes. Okay, we can see price can still go down towards this my divine order block here before moving higher, as we know. Okay, so my 30 minutes or my 1 hour, this is my template that I've said we show what we are about to do. So we have move around here. Okay, if this low is intact, it's still intact, there's nothing in London. If this low is still intact, there's nothing from that will take us away from buying this DXY. Okay, from buying this, because there's a break of market structure already, whether we like it or not. There's a break of market structure, so I'm expecting, and even here I'm expecting price to go up towards that 99.229 area, sorry, so 29 area, and that is that. Okay, I don't want to be talking about this too much, because whether we like it or not, there is a strong eye here. So if price, and there's a break of structure here too, if price will go down, then go towards this level, it will not be bad, and that is like 97.40 area. Okay, 40 area, so I'm expecting to move up like this. So, and if it is moving lower, no problem also, so you can get that from higher time frame perspective. Okay, so you can get that from higher time frame perspective, as I have said. Okay, but this low is very important not to be broken if we want to still buy. Okay, now going back to our Australian dollar, US dollar, now we have something beautiful. As I have said before, I said price is moving from the range of 74.80 area, 0.7480 area, to 0.6468333. Okay, so I want price to come here to fly up, or come for this hidden base that we have here. Let me remove this hidden base that we have here, which will now be like an order block. Okay, so price can come to this level and move up like this, or price come for this level. There's a fair value gap there, but let me tell you, this to me is in the premium. For those who can divide range, is in the premium. It's premium P. Okay, it's in premium until they get to this level before they will be in the discount. So, and when they are in the discount, that's where you should be looking for what? The PDRA, discount PDRA, that will move market upward. So this I is my target for this year. We might not get to that level this year, but that is the direction. Okay, so that's still what we are looking for. So I'm expecting price to come for this area, which is what we are seeing like an order block here now. Okay, but at least should get below this, coming to this area like this, or like this. So whatever it is, I'm good to go. Okay, and if we enlarge the weekly chart for this week, you can see there was an order block here. Hold on. There was an order block here, or let me say this is the other block generally, but this is my other block. This refines other block for me. So what happened after taking the low in December November area of last year? Price went up towards this area, so I'm still expecting price to come lower, or if price want to do its own, price can see this place as equal high, but I don't see it as equal high. Price can see it as equal high, then price move higher towards this level, but I don't think this is where we are coming for again. As I have said before, price has done its part by coming to this area, then it's going to come lower below this low. Okay, that is the weekly time frame, which is the direction that we are looking for. Now the daily time frame, like I have said, I said price took liquidity from here, took liquidity from this low, and after taking liquidity from that low, you are expecting a pullback, and this is a significant swing now because it took this high and broke this low, and that is a significant swing. That means price will pull back into it, then drop lower. Okay, so I'm expecting price to come lower. That's what I'm expecting. So anything can happen. As I have said, price can find its way above this high, but if price is breaking this high, like going higher like this, I will not be expecting, I will just expect pullback, then price will go higher. So that's what I'm expecting. But as at now, the principle is I want it to come down to lower point. Okay, that 0.6833 area that we have on our monthly time frame. Yeah, so going to 4 hours now. I've drawn something there before, so I'll just explain. Price got to, there's a strong low here, or a significant low here on 30 minutes. So I'm expecting price to get to this level, show me something like this, another break of market structure, then I will now sell it. Aside that, price can go all the way from here to this level before coming down. And if price is breaking this stuff, hold on please. If price is going to go towards this level, let me mark that, let me show this line on daily time frame. So that we can see it where it is. This eye is what we are talking about. Okay, check it. You see where it is, because there is no inefficiency, unfairness in the market around this level. Price has balanced it up. So price on lower time frame took liquidity here, or you can say here, broke structure here, then inducement, all this will serve as inducement. So I'm expecting this to happen, then come lower. But aside that, I'll be looking for price to get to this level, then drop. So those are the two possibilities that we can see. So it's not a matter of, you can see break of market structure, liquidity taking, break of market structure. So if you are expecting this, it's not bad at all. Okay, so that's that. Let's show the 30 minutes for this, also for this. Okay, as at now, as I've said, when we shrink it, you are seeing liquidity taking here, then break of market structure here, or you now call it here now. So what happened? This is where we are expecting pullback to happen. Then the pullback is to come here, then fall more. Look at it. whether you are okay with ICT principle or not, this will show you where we are. Price has moved, and it's now this. Okay, breaking this low is a break of market structure. Then price will pull back to fall lower. The circle is complete here. It will be completed here and even go below this level. So that's what I'm expecting. I know you will see links of my Telegram channel, public channel, and you see my username on this channel. Also, you can contact me on any chat that you want me to talk about, okay, privately. Then, but this channel of YouTube is just for DXY and Australian dollar, US dollar only, just to show the principle of using one pair to rake in more pips in a year. What that can teach you is consistency, and you'll be balanced also. Thank you very much for watching.